We did it.
That's like literally how it works. I don't know how
Bro, we did it.
figured that out.
Bro. We're side by side now, guys. Congratulations.
I'm like so proud of us.
Thank you.
That is great. Great news. Okay,
That's great news. That's so great news. Yeah.
that's great. So now, let's get back to the question and answers. Are you ready?
Okay, bro.
My number one question. Help me think of a question. Mahirap pa. Dapat mahirap.
Huwag masyado mahirap.
Hi, Jem Jem. Oh, hi, Jem Jem. Shout out to you. Huwag masyadong mahirap. Okay, I know. What is the capital of the Philippines?
Manila, guys.
Wow. You are so smart. Just
Yeah,
kidding.
Manila.
I'm kidding. But anyways, what would you like to share? Like recently, is there anything that you want to promote? That's it.
Next week, guys, we're gonna go out of Luzon to go somewhere. I'm not gonna tell you all the exact location because I think there's gonna be an announcement, and then we're gonna perform for 2 days, not 3 days, pala 2 days lang, in that place. So just wait for that. Midnight live, yeah, bro. This is a midnight live at this point. Pero don't you guys have? Kailan ba kayo sasalang?
Even I don't know.
Okay.
Later 3 a.m.
Later 3 a.m.
We will stay here until like very late.
Later 3 a.m. is yung salang nyo?
It's like the cutoff, so maybe around this time.
Okay.
Buti gising pa ang ate. I'm not an ate, guys. I'm not an ate. Who's Ikat? What's that? Oh, okay.
Downloading COD M, bro. I'm gonna start, bro.
I have known this guy for like how many years? 8 years?
Yeah, bro, 8 years. Guys, if y'all don't know, Leah and I met when SML Stars 2017. That was like the first time.
That long. I watched this guy grow up. And you
Bro, how
watch,
about you, bro? What you mean?
bro, you're giving me a headache. Okay. Where's Ate Ash? Ate Ash is on set. He is taking something. We are on standby right now. So okay guys. Marcos shoutout daw. Say hi, Johiren.
Hi, Joe Hiren. What's up?
What's
Iba ba
up?
yung comment section mo sa comment section ko?
What is your comment section saying? Because I don't know. Hindi.
Razel Nicole, isang hello, Negros Anchors, Marcus. Razel Nicole, hi Apple.
It's different. Our
Different, no? Okay, our comment sections are different. Wow, that's cool.
So if if you see something nasty on your comment section, I will be able to see it here.
That's cool, bro.
That's great.
Magkaiba kayo. Okay.
Hi, Kaya. Hello, iCakes. It's nice to see you here. Marcos,
Yeah, I just read something, bro. Oh my goodness.
I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. Hi, Esther's viewers. Hi.
Oh, S is also live?
Yeah, Esther's live na din.
Invite her to the... Pwede ba yung tatlo?
I don't think so. Parang dalawa lang ata pwede.
Oh, dang. Bye.
Brother, pwede. Miss you. Oh, really? Do you miss me? Kasi, I might miss you.
Masalang sa mga araw.
Dude, talaga?
Hi.
Kita niyo po.
Wow, miss ako ni Ice.
Guys, they said pwede up to 4.
Are you
Pwede up to
sure?
4. Invite Esther.
So, like, you're saying everyone can join, like here in this group.
Yes, all 4 of us can join if you want. Pero mag-e-echo nga lang sa inyo. You guys have to mute or something.
Nakasama na tayo, bro.
Yeah, magsama-sama na kayo, guys. Mag-live na kayong dalawa. Marco at Esther is already live.
So, guys? What's a good question to ask, Marcos, guys?
Yo, bakit ako? Dapat si Gea, guys. Anong magandang ask kay Gea?
Marcos,
Or
ask me.
Marco. Or Esther. Kasi silang tatlo yun nandiyan.
Can you say A?
Taping sila, Marco. Yes, taping sila ngayon, guys.
Grabe.
A.
What the heck?
Marcos height
Why is your
reveal.
nails long?
Height reveal, I'm like 5'8".
He's like, 6 foot, guys.
You're not talking.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot. Diba, Gea? I'm 6 foot.
He's like really tall in person. It just doesn't look like it. But
Yeah, yeah. But if you just like, if you
Very
tell
tall.
yourself, yeah.
That's
Oh,
why.
yeah.
Right? It's so tall. I swear. Di ba, Marcos?
Baka ma-discover mo sa Arab.
How?
Tangkad nito ni Marcos.
Oh, diba, Marco?
So,
6
galing
foot
pa
pa
ako.
ano, diba, Marco?
Basketball.
Nung nagkita kami ni Marcos,
Oo.
habang nagtitiktok kami, nakaganon ako sa kanya.
Grabe na. Naging Yao Ming.
Hi, guys.
Pero guys, ang angas ni Marco mag-basketball. Si Stephen Curry yan, kung di niya napanood. Di yan nagmi-miss sa 3 points. Maangas ka.
I'm washed, bro.
Wala.
The whole
Wala guys,
game,
huwag kayo
bro.
maniwala dyan. Humble king lang yan.
Hi.
Makes.
You're so pretty talaga. Are you
Dalawa.
sure?
Dalawa yung live niyo. Ano, kaya pa
Thank
ba?
you, thank you.
Ash! Oh my God.
Mag-hi ka sa live!
Who is this?
This is Marcos.
Oh,
Hello
yeah.
po, my name is Marcos. Hello po.
Meow, meow.
Tumiyak ka ulit?
And then,
Siya tumiyak ka ulit?
si ano din eh. Si Erin din eh.
Ay, wala.
No.
Ay! Hello! Live pala to. No?
Oo nga. Marcos asked me a question and I'll try my best to answer it.
What time do you usually sleep?
What time do you usually sleep?
Wait lang. Paano ba mag-mute? Wait lang.
One of you has to mute and like put down the volume.
Kapag naman kayo, Jess.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Oh my God.
Paano yung mute?
Ano?
Ayun, eto.
You
kaya
look
mo.
like Batista Manalo. Thank you so much. That is actually so sweet. Ate, do you
Marcos,
know I'm
nag-gym
always
ka ba? Hindi na po ako nag-gym. Dati lang. Pero ngayon tinabad na.
What happened? What happened, Bella?
What happened, Vela? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right?
Vampire will feed to me. Oh, yun! It's good! Ayoko.
Huwag ka yan dito.
Natatakot ako. Yeah.
Yan, mas.
Yes, galing. Yes, galing.
Ask me a question na. Because I'm gonna try my best talaga to.
Okay, guys, you ask Gaya a question, guys, sa comment section.
Ask.
Yeah. Question.
Ask, guys, okay. Gaya muna, tapos next si Esther, tapos next si Marta. Ang mga angas.
Dream country and why?
Ay, ang
Dapat malalim daw.
Dapat malalim. Okay.
Ay, gusto niyo malalim?
Sorry
How
naman
deep
kasi.
is the ocean in the...
Oh.
How deep is Bermuda Triangle?
We have only discovered 1% of the entire ocean. 99% of the ocean has not been explored yet. And can you imagine we're already on our
If you were to be an
25th
anime
year.
character.
We're on our 2025th year. We still don't know what's going on there. Maybe I don't know. I don't want to know.
Nasa 20%
I'm
pa
scared.
lang ang PO. Discover na niya. Hindi, honestly, compared sa na-discover natin in space, marami pa na-discover.
Yes, true. Ako, naniniwala ako, marami pa talagang mga creatures dun sa baba, di lang natin na-discover.
Yeah, honestly, ando dun yung pinapagawa kong bahay.
Oh my god!
Meron pala, uy. Sige, dun tayo mag-hangout next time.
You should share to us yung bahay mo. Grabe yun.
Does he watch anime?
He loves anime. So,
Ikaw.
I love anime, guys. Pero yung mga mainstream anime lang. Mga Haikyuu.
Eren.
Yay!
Here you go.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Never again, never again, bro.
Nothing. It's just the
Never
accent.
again, never again. Never again. I'm taking care of you guys.
Accent.
Okay.
Nothing.
Yeah, Marcos, pasabi, hi, Jana.
Hello, Jana.
Hi, Jenny.
Like Jenny.
Ano ba pa yun?
Guys, ask kayo ng question sa kanila, guys. Kahit sino sa kanila. Kasi,
Ito.
masaya.
What if kaya kong maging dalawa?
Grabe si Marco. Lumilitaw sa dalawa.
Do you miss someone? Ay, pare, sakto.
Do you miss someone?
Pwede
At
na tayo,
and why?
pwede na tayo
Si
mag-green
Marcos.
Do you miss
Ask
someone
Marcos.
daw?
Marcos.
Who is Do you miss someone?
Who is your multo?
Who is it and why?
Syempre may namimiss ako. May multo din ako, guys. Yan. Hindi niya pa pwede malaman yan kasi syempre sensitive topic. Ay! Grabe yung sensitive topic! Diba?
Ikaw, gay yan.
Malaki na daw si Nathaniel. Yes, guys, lumaki yan. Si Nathaniel. Si Nathaniel! Lumaki yan si Nathaniel.
Ako?
Ay, ikaw lang.
Do you miss someone? Who is it and why?
Grabe, who is it and why?
Wag to.
Na-expose na talaga.
Do I miss someone and why? First of all,
Define your answer.
you're pressuring. My mom is watching, so I do not want to say it.
Hello, Bodita. Grabe, ginamit yung mom
Parang pag
card.
Miss Universe, tapos tinanong siya ng gano'n.
Pwede.
Bawal pagutin yun.
It's normal. It's normal to miss someone.
So sino?
And why?
Uy.
It's normal to miss someone.
Ano yung biggest pet peeve nyo?
What's your... Who wants to answer? Biggest.
Esther.
Maingay kumain.
Oh,
Hindi
totoo.
maingay kumain. Valid.
Pet peeve.
Pet peeve
Saan
ko,
yung mic?
Naso?
Shih Tzu. Ay, sorry.
Iba ata yun ah.
Honestly, pet peeve ko yung... Kasi, nang left out.
Yeah. True. Ako pet peeve ko yung... Ano?
Hi,
Ang
Kai.
go-ghost. Pet peeve ko yung go-ghost.
Ano?
Ang go-ghost.
Oh,
Yung tipo yung chat mo sila tapos biglang mawawala.
Siguro to si Marcos. Ay, ikaw ba yung nag-ghost? Ay, ikaw ba yung may pet peeve na nag-ghost?
Hindi ako. Ikaw, Gia, anong pet peeve mo?
my pet peeve is...
Mga bene mo lang Oh, ay, sorry. Sorry.
Let us move. I'm sorry, guys.
Hold on.
Where do we move?
Hold on.
Okay. Sorry. So my biggest pet peeve. What is a good pet peeve? Even I don't. My biggest pet peeve is someone who doesn't know how to care. It may be for a person, for anything, basta just something in general. Who doesn't care. Wala lang siyang pake.
Busy pa kayo? Ba kailangan nyo nang
What?
Kailangan nyo na bang...
No. Not yet. I'm just gonna...
Marcos, do you miss Iloilo? Yes. I miss Iloilo. It's been so long actually. Rather to go.
You're going? Ano ba? Then you just stay here na lang. Kasi you don't have anyone to talk to there.
Mag-artista ka na lang, Mark. Pwede naman, guys. Pwede naman.
Pwede naman. Diba, at least you've already been experiencing the field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was Star Magic before.
Yeah, you've already done that before. So, it's okay.
Happy birthday, James Calzado. Good night, Sam.
Sige po. Blocking. Sorry.
Oh, wait. Kami na po? Okay, wait.
Talaga.
Okay ba? We'll do blocking.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna end my live soon, bro.
Mamaya na lang. Bye. I look sunburned.
Good luck, bro. Good luck.
Thank you. We got this.
Yeah. PM pa daw talaga sila matatapos. So
Yeah.
we cannot wait for them, guys.
Okay, let's end that live. Thank you guys so much for watching this nonsense live. And I hope this happens again soon. Peace out. Hi, Nix. Oh my god, why are you guys just popping up now? You guys should have came earlier so you guys could have gotten the chance to talk or something. Ano po bang movie nyo? No spoilers.
Wow.
Sige, let's go na.
Go na.
Marcos, I'm gonna go na.
Good luck, bro. Good luck.
Ano gagawin? Blocking. Bakit may 100 sa galing? Ay, Marcos! Ay, Marco! Kabayaran mo kasi Marco.
Wala talaga ako dyan.
Aww, sana Marcos was here.
Ikaw pala ako.
Okay po. Okay. Marcos, I'm gonna go now for real.
Okay, bro. Good luck, bro.
Nakita mo na nag-share. So this is what happens. I wait. A little bit of a vlog. Yeah,
Wow, guys, dinadala niya talaga tayo sa labas. Wow, this is...
yes, we're gonna like bring you.
Pwede ba yan? Di ba
I will
nilili?
end the live and then in a little bit. Maybe I'll lower the volume down. The moon is so nice. I do not see the moon.
Baby, you're my sun and moon.
Hello po. Okay na, Marco. Pa-party na tayo. Let's party, Marco. Invite you. So, like, this is a little bit of a behind the scenes. Only you guys get to sneak peek. Hello po. I thank you.
Good luck sa studies, Ika. Ay, nawala na siya, guys. Hindi pala. Bye, Jessang.
Just a little bit of the set.
Wow, she's really leaking this, guys.
Where you guys can see more of it now. So, you know, I'm gonna have to end the live here now. Marcos, I'm gonna go. Wait, why are you mugging?
No, relax. PM, tapos
Say
ba?
hi to my mom, Marcos.
Hello. Tita.
My mom is here. Okay. Sige, I'm gonna go na, Marcos.
PM, tapos.
Guys, goodbye. Bye, guys.
Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed live with my friends for a bit. That was really nice. Hoping to like go live with them again, like with some of my friends again, also, because that's really cool, bro. Guys, I'm telling you, guys, marami nakikita mga Marco comments, bro. Guys, Marco is so chill. Like, I remember like last month, nag-basketball kami, and like that was like first time namin magkita after like so long, and like I went up to him like nung kakarating niya lang, sabi ko, yo Marco, sabi niya agad, yo Marcos, like kumusta na, ganyan. Dude, like ang chill niya lang, and like natatandaan niya ako after such a long time, and then after that nag-TikTok kami, and then yun, 'di ba? Amazing. It's really cool, bro. COD ka, kahit dahil nga nagko-COD kanina si Marco, parang gusto ko na yun mag-COD. Pero, ayan, nagda-download na siya, guys. So, ayan. Hello, Rain. Marcus, tulog na. Tulog na ako maya-maya. Very soon. I will. Kailan, babalik pa ba kayo sa Korea? Right now, no plan so far on going back to Korea kasi we're like promoting ngayon like solely on, tama ba yan, solely? Oh wow, this is cute. We're just like focusing talaga sa Philippines. That's the, guys, the 3 days event. Let me just clear it up. 2 days lang pala yung event. Di pala siya 3 days. Sorry. It's my bad. That's my wrong. But yeah. Where is Jiro? Di ko alam eh. Feel ko tulog na yun. Or baka wala. Saan yung 2 days? I cannot tell you guys yet kasi hindi pa siya na-announce. Pero basta hindi siya sa Luzon. Yun ang sasabihin ko. Hindi siya sa Pinas. Joke lang. Wala siya sa Luzon. How are you? I'm good, guys. I was having a really good day today. And I want to go live. I lost my voice yesterday. Kahapon ba yan nung pumunta ka sa Castaway? Kaya sino pumunta kahapon, kagabi? Bacolod. I don't know, baka sa Bacolod. Cebu, baka sa Cebu. We're not sure. Sino mga pumuntang Castaway? You? You1? You1? Thank you for coming, You1. Sa harap? Wow. Absent. Okay, guys. Anong gagawin natin? Siyempre, late na. Kailangan na din matulog. Diba? Tulog tayo mga 12:40. Ano bang pwedeng gawin? Relapse? Guys, ayoko na mag-relapse. Huwag na talaga mag-relapse. Laro. Castaway TMI. Castaway TMI. Ano ba ang Castaway TMI ko? Castaway TMI. Ano ba nangyari kahapon? Oh, umulan, guys. Alam ko na. So, Castaway TMI, matagal kasi yung waiting time namin sa waiting room. So, sabi ko sa manager, pwede po ba akong bumili ng milk tea? Kasi wala na, na-board na. Ready na kami, naka-makeup na kami, naka-hair. Sabi ko, pwede po ba akong pumunta sa milk tea? Syempre, may mga tao doon. So sabi niya, sure ka, ganyan. Pwede naman bilan na namin. Sabi ko, nahihidin po kasi ako. Kaya yun, pumunta na talaga ako. Yun, pumunta kami. Tapos, bumili na milk tea. Nung pabalik na, biglang umulan. Tapos lahat ng mga tao, like everyone who were like already waiting sa venue, they all like rushed out and then they went back indoors. And then the guards who were with me, they were like, they like took out their walkie-talkie. They were like, we need umbrella, we need umbrella. So they got an umbrella, and it was like a really small umbrella. So and then they just used it, and then I went there. Pinabasa ako pa din actually, pero at least the umbrella helped a lot. Shout out sa mga kuya guards. How do you feel you are a saint now? Guys, nakita ko nga yung the edit on Twitter, like the AI edit of me like as a saint. I was speechless. Like I didn't expect that you guys can do such things. But that's really cool, guys. Whoever did that, wow. I am shocked in a good way. Parang si Jungkook, really? Thank you. Jungkook is my idol, guys. He is my role model. Pero yun. Wow, ang bilis. Di ko siya... I really can't like read. Wow. Wow, ang hirap. Wow. Kaninang picnic yung nahulog? That was Kuya Kyler's picnic. You know, Wahafen, Marcus. Wahafen! Guys, alam ko na, guys. Wala lang. Joke lang pala. Tell us about when you met Yedam Sambenim. So, guys, as you know, Bang Yedam Sambenim is one of the mentors Be The Next. And we did a guesting there for like performance. And I got to meet Bang Yedam Sambenim backstage, and also EXO Chen Sambenim backstage. And I got to take a photo with the one and only Bang Yedam. And it's just so nice kasi he's super kind. He was so chill. And actually, nung una, as a group lang kami nagpicture. Nung pagkatapos dun, sabi ni Kuya Kyler sa akin, Marcus, tara magpa-picture tayo. Like, kahit like yung solo naman. Sabi ko, sige, ikaw, sabihin mo sa kanya. Sabi niya, hindi, ikaw magsabi. yun, sabi ko, 안녕하세요, 혹시 사진 찍어도 될까요? And then, sabi ko, like, pwede po bang magpa-picture? Gano'n. Tapos, sabi niya, okay naman, pwede naman. Nagtagalog siya, joke lang. Sabi niya, okay lang naman, tapos gano'n. And then, yun. And then, nakapag-pick na kami. And then, this is the pick. Diba? Diba? Ang galing. So, yun. He's really nice. He's really kind. Biceps check? I don't know, bro. Bahal pa. Suggest a song? I really like, right now? I really like... Wow, I'm having mental block. This is what happens pagka 12 a.m. Alden post? Don't take a screenshot of that. Whew. What's your height now? I'm 5'8", guys. Ang hirap na pagka walang pa-music sa background. Suggest movie? What's a good movie nga ba? Knives Out. Watch Knives Out, please. Pero yun, guys, I'm gonna end the live na din. Kasi late na. I'm actually surprised na nanonood kayo ng ganitong oras. Like, wow, thank you po. Pero, yes, guys, I will let you sleep na kasi 12 a.m. na talaga, guys. Kailangan natin matulog. Hopefully, you guys sleep well. And rest well then. And, yeah. I love you guys. Kain lagi kayo. And, yeah. Thank you so much for joining the live. Bye-bye, guys.